Finding grace. Hope for swallowing challenges. Imagine waking up, pouring a glass of water, and fearing every swallow. For millions, every sip, every bite, is a battle. But in the quiet of these struggles, there's also a space where grace is found. Today, we walk a path that transforms silent suffering into spiritual strength. This is for every soul navigating the unseen fight of dysphagia. The unexpected struggle. Dysphagia, it's more than a medical term. It's the silent intruder at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We meet Sarah, a retired teacher who once loved Sunday brunches with family. Now, she battles fear with every bite. There are no obvious wounds. No casts or canes. Yet, the anxiety runs deep. And Sarah's not alone. This hidden condition affects stroke survivors, seniors, cancer patients, and even young adults. What is dysphagia? Medically, dysphagia means difficulty swallowing. But emotionally, it means loneliness, fear, and often, embarrassment. You may lose the joy of eating, the comfort of sharing meals, the spontaneity of a simple glass of juice. And it raises a powerful question. Can something so painful lead to something deeply peaceful? Beyond the plate, spiritual fortitude. It's in this silent struggle that many discover a louder voice of faith. In prayer, they find strength. In scripture, they find reassurance. In stillness, they find God's whisper. My grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9. This isn't a story of cure, but a testimony of courage. Some begin to journal. Others meditate. Many lean into their community and church family. Finding grace, rebuilding peace. Like Sarah, many discover that grace doesn't always remove the mountain, but it gives strength to climb it. It may come in the form of a caring therapist, a new feeding technique, or simply a verse spoken at just the right moment. What begins as brokenness can become a doorway to wholeness, spiritually and emotionally. In closing, if you're watching this and living with dysphagia, or caring for someone who is, know this: you are not alone. Your story matters. And in the quietest moments, God's love speaks the loudest. There is grace in your journey. There is purpose in your pain. And there's peace, even when swallowing feels like a storm. Folded hands, stay strong, stay faithful, and stay hopeful. Be sure to watch the next episode 2 in this series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread hope to others walking this path.